let me smash? Please.
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact? That was a bombastic side eye.
Bang, 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 bang.
There's a possibility further development around the wider coming to habit. So
Get ready. Yay!
ეს ვინ ჩემი ჩუსტი ვინ დახია მოდი რა ჩემი ჩუსტი ვინ დახია მითხარი
What are you doing? Digging. Why? Make a hole. A hole for what? More digging. Okay then.
Okay.
Maybe say sit?
No, it's not. It's...
That's gross.
What are you doing?
Get it.
Good girl. Hand it to me. No, you pick it up. You're the smartest.
Oh, a dog!
Stay there, sis.
อันนี้คือขาที่มันแทง
think you wanna?
Mama, look at the dog. What'd you like? Marcy's laughing.
Virgo, get up. Come on, get up.
Постараюсь подкрадусь к нему. Сегодня дождливая погода, и поэтому он проводит свои дни у окошка. Ты проводишь свои дни у окошка, Гай, привет.
Hey!
I would buy you flowers. I would hold your hand. We could talk for hours if you would be my friend.
Dude!
Yeah, tell the puppy you love him. I love him.
Oh, he does. Oh, Comet's fine.
Vi su cara de porque es que sí es Marty. ¡Míralo!
Who's that? He's a horrible father.
You're a horrible father. You're a horrible father. You don't even...
Winston, you want a puppuccino? Puppuccino?
Hi! Hi!
Show of all! Feast your eyes on this!
Lyra, what are you doing to Daddy? Lyra, what is going on? Lyra!
You pulled me off the bed for ass!
I wish I got that on video. That was friggin' hilarious.
Lyra!
Your dog has more situational awareness than you right now. The dog has more situational awareness.
I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the beat like boom. Mustard on the beat, bro. Bing, bang, boom, bang, bing, bang, boom.
Come here.
What is this?
Maple. You can't keep hogging Matt. It's not okay. He's mine. I got it on video.
Good morning. Good morning. Hey, don't be rude.
Thank you, John. That's awesome. So is there any honeysuckle out?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I had a couple.
Are you embarrassed for being naked right now? Oh my goodness, you don't have your clothes on.
Then let him do it.
Why do I gotta move it? Let him do it.
The person I'm connected to the most is Aisha.
Who ate the Hawaiian rolls?
You want to catch those hands? You want to catch these hands? Oh God, okay, I don't want yours.
What? Corn caught my ear. Thank you. Go ahead. Corn caught it again.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
I love you. You gotta get dressed. Yeah.
What is it? Oh my gosh! Get it, loud in the hole. Oh gosh! Oh my god!
What do you have? Are you doing some cooking? You got a whisk?
Are you gonna do some cooking?
Stop. Yeah, I see it. And leave it alone.
And he's going to get that croissant. Will he reach that croissant? He almost got it. He's trying. Hendrix, he's going to get the last part of the croissant.
See, told you, you can get it.
So beautiful. Welcome to San Francisco.
Mówię się. To straszne.
Hey, roll over, Wendy. Good girl. That's how you do it. Okay, go ahead, Amelia. Roll over.
Sideways. Hello.
What are you doing there, sir? Oh, hi. Hello. Hello, Schnabbelabigus.
Soltame y te suelto. Soltame y te suelto. Soltame y te suelto. 1, 2, 3.
Nina,
Good girl. Ready? Oh, yeah, you're crazy.
Что это такое?
Good morning to the cutie pie. Looking very nice. Good morning to the cutie pie. Tingling, 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 tingling.
Did he take your toy? What happened? Oh, did he get your toy? He thinks it's food.
Happy birthday, Angélica, vale. Hoy cumple 50 años.
Oye, no, Oti.
What the dog doing?
No.
We swallowed some water, buddy. That's it. Come here.
I've swallowed more water.
Hey, don't chew on his tail, Holly.
loose. Get the car. Get it. Is he in there? What the fuck? Hey, Ronan, do you need a bath?
You need a bath, Bubba's?
Hey, I think you need a bath. Ronan.
Ronan.
It's bath time.
Yeah, you're all getting the hairs up on the couch.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Budi se. Gde si? Gde si mo?
Oh gosh.
You are such a dork.
Licking that one too, huh? You like that one? Mom, look at Era. Hurry, look at Era.
Ted, okay? Oh, thank you.
Matt, are you taking?
Do you see that?
Buddy. I know you're mad because Rebecca's in my lap, but the big dog got here first, and I'm petting him.
Oh no. Oh no, you're gonna get attacked.
What are you doing?
He's so psycho.
What are you doing?
It looks like he's
Give
dead.
me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Are you mad? Why are you mad? Mandy, you always find...
You wanted to know if he still brings sticks inside. Here's your answer. He's just not as graceful as he used to be.
Is that it?
Daj cium. Daj cium. Cium. Nie chuj.
Look at it! Shimmy! What do you have?
What are you gonna do with it? What are you gonna do with it? You gonna give it to me? No? Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
Why are you trying to get my baby to give you some?
Good boy. Good boy, Gryffindor. Good boy. Good boy. Look. Good boy. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
You like it?
I'm just a baby.
But you still have to say, okay, Mom.
I'm just a baby.
Okay.
When does she rub? Yeah.
This is my weapon. Her name is Lola.
Oh my goodness, you get daddy? You get daddy's feet? See, I'm biting. See, I'm being so bad. Because you want.
To put some things in the back of my car and the whole family.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
You did this? Who did this? Who did this? Simba? Did you do it?
Thanks for holding the drinks.
Did you get the frisbee stuck on your head? Did you get...
Come here. Come here. Show everyone your costume.
Come on. Oh, wow.
Hi, Hazel. Are you being a needy baby? Oh, don't go for kisses. That's enough kisses.
God damn, y'all are some fiends. You really want these that bad, dude? You want these that bad? I mean, here, bro. I guess. Here. Yeah, there you go.
Please come here. Please come here. Shh. Shh. Come here. Come here.
Stay.
Good job. Good. That's very good.
He's not even doing it yet, dummy. Oh. Sorry.